Al-Fadi and Dr. J. Smith usually do programs on Cirainternational, a YouTube channel. Recently, Dr. J. Smith explained in one of his programs that the Quran is not the same as you Muslims think and as we have been told throughout the ages and as we understand. According to Dr. J. Smith, the claims of the Muslims that the Quran is a preserved book and there is no change in it is based on lies. In support of it, Dr. J. Smith refers to different Qur'ans, which are actually different recitations of the same Quran. Recitation means different methods of pronunciation of the Holy Quran. Their recitations are mentioned in our books of Hadith and books of Quranic sciences, and the complete explanation of it also is mentioned in our books. This is not a new discovery, as Dr. J. Smith believes, and the woman named Hatun Tosh is quoting that she went to the market and different Qurans were being sold, Hafs Quran, Warsh Quran, etc. These different Qurans are actually different recitations, and common Muslim scholars and common people understand, and I understand. Now, it is necessary for you to prove the contradiction in this way, that the difference in recitations leads to different results, so that the difference in the Quran is proved. If the actual result is the same and this difference has been described and explained in our book, then how will you claim the honor of this discovery, and how will you prove your claim? It is necessary for you to prove the contradictions of all the Qurans with practical results. I will wait for your reply.